To get started, we're going to make a rectangle for the back of the chair that's 8 inches tall and 3 inches wide. I'm using basswood pieces that are pre-cut to 8-inch length, so that makes it really easy. I've cut the top and bottom pieces into 3-inch strips, and then I'm going to take one of those, put some wood glue along the bottom, and then glue on the 2 outside pieces, which are 8 inches long and about 1/4 inch wide. Next, I'm going to glue 6 thin strips to the inside, which are 8 inches long and 1/8 of an inch wide. Once those are done, we'll glue in the bottom piece of the rectangle and make sure everything's spaced out evenly. I'm using a vinyl tablecloth to protect my table, so once this is dry, I should be able to peel the rectangle right off. Next, we're going to add a wood strip that's 3 inches long and 1/4 inch wide to the top and bottom. While that's drying, you can make the base of the chair by gluing a 3 by 3 inch wood square to 4 legs that are about 2.5 inches long. When everything's dry, you can glue the back of the chair to the base and then add 1/4 inch wide pieces to the chair all around like I've done here. Now on to our tiny table. I've cut 2 pieces of scrap wood for the legs. The dimensions are about 3 1/4 inch by 1.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to glue on 2 pieces of the 1/4 inch wide basswood that are 4.5 inches long. Once that's dry, we'll turn it over and glue on 4 pieces of the 1/4 inch wide basswood that are 2 inches long each. Once that part's dry, we'll glue it to the top of the table. The one I have here is about 6 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. After all the assembled pieces are dry, you can add a coat of wood stain. Make sure you work in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves and a mask. Let the stain dry completely. This might take a day or 2. Then you can paint a clear varnish on top to make it waterproof. Now I'm going to put my finished pieces on this base I made from scrap wood so that I can hang it on my fence. Now you can finally hang the dining set up on the fence and watch all your animal friends enjoy.